We are on the shores of the Missouri River. It's 80 degrees, clear skies. It's a little hazy out, but we're okay. And there's a little bit of a breeze out of the southeast, maybe 10 miles an hour at the most, so light winds. Beautiful day, beautiful day. And we are in September now, so we're going to do some truck camping tonight. We're going to grill up some food that I've never actually put on a grill before, so we're going to try that. And the archery deer season is open, so we're going to go sit in a tree stand too tonight and see if we can see some deer. And tomorrow morning we'll get out, hopefully tomorrow morning also. Unless of course I get one tonight, then all bets are off. But the first thing we're going to do is, since we're truck camping, I have purchased a new mattress. Comfort and Relax. 3-inch mattress topper, gel fused memory foam, and it's full size. Now, do I need a full size mattress on my bed in here? Just to give you some perspective, there's the bed. That's not a full-size bed. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this sucker in half. And it's 3-inch, so we'll have actually 6 inches of foam mattress that I'm sleeping on. Now, do I need 6 inches of mattress? No. Is 6 inches of mattress comfy? Yes. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to get rid of the old mattress and try out the new one. And did I mention I just picked this up at Menards? I think it was 80, if I remember right. But at Menards you get your discount cards that you can send in. Rebates, I should say, rebates. So I think I actually only paid $40 for it. I think I had a $40 rebate ticket. I don't know if I should read the instructions. Special considerations. Yeah. Instructions. Remove mattress topper from its box and packaging. Check. Oh well, we haven't got it done with this. Okay, we'll do that first. I think it even comes with a handy dandy little opener here. That in the pickup. That way you don't cut your mattress. So it doesn't blow away. Now, how is this packaged? Well, that's not how you use this thing because I just broke it. Oh, maybe you got to do it this way. Okay, so don't try to cut that, just unroll this plastic. Did it say that in the instructions? It does. Okay, carefully remove the mattress topper from its box and packaging. That was step one. We got that done. Unroll. Place your mattress topper on the foundation platform or flat surface of your choosing and unroll the outer plastic. See, I was trying to cut the outer plastic off. That's not what you're supposed to do. Okay. There we go. And yeah, that's okay. That is exactly what I needed. This is what I was expecting and what I wanted, so we'll just put the plastic back over here, set this on the ground, and pull out the old mattress. Then we can set this inside. Okay. Set my pillow off to the side. And let's get the sheet off of it. See that in the background? There's somebody's boat out here. Get the fitted sheet off of this. Can you see why I got a new one? This one is literally falling apart. I have duct tape holding it together. Between the duct tape and the fitted sheet, that's what's holding this one together. So it is it's time for a new one. Throw that one out, get the new one in here. Incoming. I'll get this part off. That's just in there to help protect it. And it is definitely, it's definitely thickened up since pulling it out of the box, unwrapping it, because it was pretty compressed. Okay. Alright, fitted sheet. And this is a full-sized fitted sheet. So, if ever the need arose where there was two of us staying in the pickup here, we could actually pull the bed frame itself out, and this fitted mattress and stuff would sit right in here, and it would cover the whole floor in here between the wheel wells. So that is another reason to have a full-size mattress, even if you don't need it. There we go. The bed is made, use the pillow. Of course, I gotta try it out, right? You can see that far. Oh yeah. I'll give that a thumbs up. The Comfort and Relax mattress topper from Menards. I would call this a winner. And it is comfy. I better not lay here too long or I'll doze off. Bed is made and we're going to be sleeping good tonight. Yeah, I like it. All right, well worth it, I believe. We'll see how I feel in the morning though. Maybe after sleeping on it for a night my opinion will change, but for the few seconds, I like it. In the stand. Just getting set up here. Got my bow right here. My other camera. Hopefully we'll see some deer with, and then I'll get them on this camera. Hang it that way. Tree leans back that direction, so that'll help the arrow stay on the bow. Alright, put the rest of my camo on, settle in, and hopefully we'll see a deer tonight. Or a number of deer. Moonrise looks orange tonight. In person it looks a lot more orange than it does on camera. Alright, well, we're back at camp. Can you hear the waves in the background? And the crickets behind the camera? So we're gonna get the grill in here. And usually I grill on the tailgate. However, there's a lot of bugs around, so I didn't want to grill on the tailgate with lights on, because then the back of the topper fills up with bugs. So I'm trying to avoid that. So we just found a little gravelly spot here to set the grill on. And now we're going to start cooking. And this is something I have never grilled before. I've had this before, never this brand, and I've never grilled these. We've got corn dogs. When's the last time you had a corn dog? So that is what I'm going for supper, is some corn dogs. And because it's already 9 o'clock at night, I wanted something that was quick and easy. And this should be quick and easy. I don't know 100% on that, but I think it will be. We're going to try it anyway. And to wash it down, we have a can we see it? Is it going to focus on it? Maybe not. Yeah, maybe. Gale's root beer. I have never had a Gale's root beer. Made by Chef Gale Gand. Cinnamon, ginger, vanilla flavored, caffeine free. Looks like it was bottled in Boston, Massachusetts. So, Gale's root beer. Kelly actually gave me this to try, and she picked it up at a place called the Corner Grocery in Pierre, South Dakota. Yeah, I've never actually been there, but they do catering, deli trays, sandwiches, soups, bakery, beer, wine, and nostalgic soda pop. Maybe the next time I'm in Pierre, I'm going to have to stop at the Corner Grocery, and we'll get a close-up of that so you can see it. So, yeah, cool. We're going to set this back in the cooler until I'm ready. But, okay, we got the grill heating up. And as far as deer sightings tonight, I saw 7 deer. Now, I only got 3 on video, but a doe and 2 fawns. And the other 4 were doe and fawns also. But they were off a ways, and I seen them for maybe 15 seconds as they walked through an opening, and I didn't have time to get the camera on those. And they were a ways over there, so. No, I think this is ready. And these aren't even in a package, they're just in a box. Corn dog. Set 3 of those on there. 3 corn dogs. Ow. Just burned myself. Okay. Alright, we're going to have to find a bag for those. Set them there for now. But, so with that, I'm going to grill these up, and we'll flip the camera back on when we're ready to eat. Alright, they look done to me. This one's starting to blacken, so we'll get this one off first. There they are. Corn dogs. And I brought along ketchup and mustard. So are you team ketchup or are you team mustard on your corn dogs? I think I'm going to start with mustard. I think mustard would be a better choice on corn dogs. Let's turn the grill off. Yeah, there ain't nothing wrong with a corn dog. It's funny. It's been a long time since I've had a corn dog. But I've seen them in the store and it's like, that's something I've never done on video. We better have some corn dogs. Quick, easy, and they're not even too bad, so. Corn dog number 2 going for the ketchup. You can never go wrong with ketchup. And that's pretty good. But on a corn dog, I think I might be team mustard. So the third one, I think I'm going mustard on. Let's try the Gale's root beer. Yeah. It has the root beer taste, but it actually has it's a little bit different than most root beers. I don't know if it's because this says it has cinnamon and ginger. Cinnamon, ginger, and vanilla. I guess I don't know what root beers all have in them, but maybe it's the cinnamon that makes it a little bit different. I like it though. Gale's root beer. So when I go to the corner grocery, I'll probably have to pick up another one. So thanks, Kelly. Alright, I am going to finish supper. Then I'm going to crash out and we'll pick it up in the morning. Morning time. And can you hear it in the background? Waves lapping at the shoreline. There's a little bit of a breeze blowing, but not too bad. It's about the same as it was last night. It hasn't calmed down at all. And I fell asleep last night because I had the windows open. Fell asleep last night listening to that. So it was a good night. And the new mattress and the new 6 inches of memory foam mattress. That worked great. That worked great. My only complaint was I forgot my pajamas, so I had to sleep in my jeans last night. But I still slept good, so the new mattress worked really well. Now it's just a matter of durability. It's very comfortable. So yeah, now it's just a case of durability. So we'll see how long it takes me to start duct taping this one back together. But it's about 5 o'clock in the morning. It's about 2 hours till sunrise. So an hour and a half till shooting light. So we got enough time here to have some breakfast. And as you can see, this is breakfast. A Victor Allen's Snickers iced coffee, which if you've seen my videos in the past, you know I really like these. They really do a good job at tasting like Snickers. So it's like a liquid candy bar. And then Hostess cupcakes. Frosted chocolate cake with creamy filling. I dove into these yesterday, so I only have, how many? Well, I only have 6 left, but that should get me through breakfast anyway. So I'm going to eat some chocolate and drink some chocolate, and then head for the tree stand, see if we can see some deer this morning. And I'm going to go to a different spot. I've been chomping at the bit to try this spot in the morning time because I seen this deer while I was prepping the tree stands. So yeah, he's a pretty good one. So hopefully he'll come by this morning. That's my hope. And if he does, we'll pick the filming back up. A little after 11 o'clock, 73 degrees, clear skies, a little bit of a breeze out of the east, light, 5 miles an hour maybe, something like that. And yeah, the weather was great. A little foggy right away this morning, but now it's real nice out. So the weather was nice, but the deer sightings were pretty low. I got, 5 seconds of footage of one doe as she walked through an opening over here. And then I did see a couple out in the bean field, but they were kind of screened by trees, so I didn't get any footage of those. I think that was a doe and a fawn. But with that, I think I'm going to wrap it up on this trip. Overall, the hunting wasn't very good. Seen a few last night and then a couple this morning. No bucks, so it wasn't as good as I was hoping it was going to be for deer hunting, but we still had enjoyed it. You know, it was nice weather. Had some corn dogs last night and got to try out the new mattress, which that worked really well. I feel like laying back down on that mattress for a while before I head home. But I think with that, we are going to wrap it up on this one, and we will pick it up next time.